We're on the Emerald Princess and we're on a 15-day cruise to sunny Hawaii. We hope it's going to be sunny anyway.
Follow us around the islands and hope you have as much fun as we have along the way.
An Uber up here to Kanapali, to the Sheraton, to spend some nice time on the beach.
Get some sun. 28 degrees, I think. 28 degrees.
Yeah. This afternoon we're actually going on a whale watching trip. Now waiting in line for some shave ice, supposed to be the best in the island according to our Uber driver.
Hi, how are you guys today?
Good.
Great.
Mango strawberry. Wouldn't be ordering shave ice right now in Vancouver.
Isn't it, Milo? Here, let me help you with some of that.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's very refreshing.
Is it good, Marqueen?
Very refreshing. It's lovely. Milo and his mum got peach, strawberry, and chocolate, and on the bottom here is vanilla ice cream.
This is the big banyan tree. Got many multiple trunks. Apparently it's all one tree.
Your first names?
Julie and Mark.
Watch the step on.
Come here.
I'm Sandy. Nice to meet you. It's good to meet you.
I'm Mark.
Hi, Mark. Every whale watch, you guys, starts off as a whale search. There she blows. 1 o'clock. Oh, are we going to see your tail? Show us your tail. Get your tail up. Oh, no, you're fine. So that's the escort back there. So, I was asked what happens to the escort. Sometimes the escort leaves. Sometimes the escort's chased off by mom. Sometimes the escort is displaced by another male, which I think is what just. I have a little helper there. Hi, Mama. You can bring your baby over. Now, most large animals. You're such a good mama.